The Employee Retirement Income Security Act by Tawana Love. Hey everyone. Please excuse the way I sound. I am been nursing a cold. That's why I'm a day late. I think I'll be able to make it without having a coughing fit. Alright. The Employee Retirement Income Security Act of 1974 is a federal law that places minimum specifications for a majority of the voluntary established retirement and health plans within the private healthcare industry and offers security for individuals in these plans. ERISA delivers consistent national protections for recipients and beneficiaries of group health and pension plans. Plans are mandated by ERISA to supply recipients with plan information such as plan features and funding. Plans are mandated to establish minimum standards for participation, vesting, benefit accrual, and funding. It compels plans to create a grievance and appeals process for recipients to obtain their benefits. It also provides recipients the right to sue and, if terminated, pledges compensation of specific benefits through a federally chartered corporation known as the Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation. Group plans can choose to self-fund using capital allocated by the plan sponsor or select to be fully insured by offering benefits using a coverage policy acquired from an insurance issuer. ERISA does not require an employer to deliver employee benefits, nor does it stipulate that plans deliver a minimum level of benefits. Employer sponsors are typically free to formulate their own benefit plans. ERISA plans hold employers accountable for recipients' money, since a few bad investments could clear out an entire group's retirement plan. This act was put into place to ensure that pensions are protected and that benefit plans actually help the employees. Many recipients still have coverage when in the past they were denied coverage with the new regulations to control the operation of health insurance benefits. The employer is normally responsible for distributing the summary plan descriptions and not the issuer, and the employer will be liable if suitable SPDs are deficient. The summary plan description offers details about the ERISA plan, which includes a thorough description about the plan, appeal process, co-payments, filing claims, benefit caps, premiums, deductibles, plan sponsor contact info, in-network and out-of-network provider stipulations, and information about recipients' rights. According to Congress, provisions of Part 4 of Subtitle B will not apply to health insurance issuers if the provisions of this title do not apply to such group health plan. Yearly reports must be filed with the Department of Labor and the IRS for group plans with 100 or more recipients. The group plan must account for management and functionality, financing, and contracts associated with third parties explaining compensation information. Other information mandated include a Schedule A and a Schedule C. A Schedule A is a list of insurance contracts who deliver coverage to recipients, and a Schedule C describes contracts with third parties to administer services to group plans.